Hello there. Today we're going to look at using API calls alongside UI tests in Virtuoso. I'm going to quickly run through our API calls that we've populated with information from request.in. This post request fetches information from where we've directed it in order to send it somewhere else. In this case, it's pulling from our environment. I've created a prod environment. We start with a test that looks a lot like the one from our video on self-healing. Let's go ahead and add some more steps here. Now we can use the API calls that we just created in conjunction with our UI testing. First, we run this API call in order to get our email and password. We can use this test step to enter the data. Then we can use this assertion to make sure that our API user equals the email that we're looking for. And with this step, we can make sure that it was correctly entered onto the page, which we can see here in our live authoring browser. Okay, that was a lot. But by running API calls in conjunction with your functional UI tests, you actually get a truer reflection of user experience, so it's worth going over. Happy testing!